Hello beauties, what's up? I'm Namita and welcome to Pinkphoenixfaceartstudio. So you guys have read this title, so for the first time I created this video and let's see how I did it. For that you have to watch this video till the end, and before going to the video don't forget to subscribe my channel. So as I guys enjoyed this video, so please like, comment, share, and more videos are coming up. Stay tuned. Bye.